Hello, a very good morning to one and all. I'm Dr. Shrutika. So we are into a series of quick revision for AIA PGT, and for the same, taking up the same series ahead, now we are into this lecture of understanding record keeping. So what are the important points at a glance? And all the points that I have noted down over here are all MCQ questions. ये सारे MCQ questions हैं जो previous year के questions में पूछे गए हैं. So this particular video is related to record keeping. Now record keeping is mentioned in which aphorism? It is mentioned in aphorism number 104. Very important, याद रखना है कि record keeping 104 में दिया है. Next, Dr. Boning-Hossain was the first to publish the case histories recorded by Hahnemann. डॉक्टर बोनिंग-हसन ने फर्स्ट टाइम पब्लिश किया था द केस हिस्ट्रीज ऑफ डॉक्टर हैनिमन. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, किसने किया और किसका किया? डॉक्टर बोनिंग-हसन डिड ऑफ डॉक्टर हैनिमन. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. सेकेंडली, hearing recommend loose sheets instead of bound journal. Who recommend loose sheets instead of bound journal? That is Herring. या फिर what does Herring recommend? Herring recommend loose sheets to keep your records of cases instead of bound journal. Next question is, Hearing always notes the weather conditions and the position of moon in each visit. जब कभी भी patient आता है, what are the two important things Dr. Herring used to look at? The weather conditions, very important, and second is the position of the moon. सबसे ज़्यादा moon को importance Herring ने दिया है. Now Lutz firstly recommended ingenious filling slip system. Ingenious filling slip system was recommended by Lutz. Now, without case records, you are at the sea without a compass and a radar. This is a statement, but this is ये statement किसने बोला है? This statement is being said by Dr. J.T. Kent. Very important. Who said this statement? This statement is said by Dr. J.T. Kent. Now, next, Hahnemann never graded symptoms except rare, common, peculiar and uncommon. Hahnemann's classification में उन्होंने he has only mentioned, or he has only divided the symptoms as rare, common, peculiar and uncommon. Very important. So this was a glance of all the important questions related to record keeping. If you are coming for the first time to my channel, do not forget to subscribe, share it amongst your friends. Keep learning, keep sharing, and all the best for AIA PGT 2024. Thank you.